Hello and welcome to Free Kids of Texas channel. Today we're cooking a dish from Alabama. It comes from our cookbook, United Tastes of America, by Gabrielle Lane Holtz. Today we're gonna make peel and eat Gulf shrimp with lemon garlic butter. What do you know about the state of Alabama? Because there's shrimp there that live in the ocean. Oh. I don't like shrimp because they're disgusting. We make them in food. Yeah, we do. But they're disgusting. I like lemons. But you never tried them before. That's because I want to try them. Well, I tried them before. No, you haven't. We haven't. This is where Alabama is located, and this is a better look at the shape of the state. Do you know where the capital of Alabama is? No. It's far away in the galaxy. No, it's not in space. I'll give you a hint. It's Montgomery. They are known for fried green tomatoes. Also wild turkeys. Oh yeah, they have the U.S. Space and Rocket Center. Oh wow! We go in space. Do you all know what the state nut is? It's pecan. I thought it was pecan. No, we're in Texas. No, it's pecan. I know the state fruits are blackberry. They're known for pizzas. That's the state tree fruit. And the state dessert is a Lane cake. Ooh, cake. I love cake. I love cake. But we're not making that today. Let's get our shrimp made using a rasp-style grater. Finally grate the zest from one lemon. Then cut the lemon in half and squeeze out all the juice in a small bowl. In a skillet, melt 6 tablespoons butter. After it's melted, we'll add the lemon zest, lemon juice, and 2 garlic cloves minced. What does that mean? Finely chopped. I'm still melting my butter. Now that my butter is melted, I'm going to add my lemon zest. And now I'll add my lemon juice. Ooh, that looks good. Now to add the garlic. That like I want that lemon. Oh yeah. Really getting into it now. Smells good. Now it's time to carefully add the shrimp. I used about a pound of shrimp. We're gonna cook this until the shrimp are pink. If they turn white, you overcooked them. All cook time is roughly 5 minutes. Ta-da! This is what it should look like. Lightly garnish with parsley. This is the shrimp fork, and this is what we are going to use to eat our meal.
What a tiny little fork.
You peel it, you eat it, and bon appetit. I'm not a big fan of shrimp. I love it.
And I don't like it.
You haven't tried it before. Would you like me to eat it?
Mm-hmm.
My taste buds.
Thank you for eating it.
You're welcome.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.
Love you.
Love you. That's a wrap. Bye. Close the lips.